One of the greatest things to multiply your business success, your money manifestations, and your client manifestations is opening channels. Now, what does that even mean? It's opening channels for clients, customers, and sales to come to you. That's essentially what all marketing is, whether organic on the free side or paid marketing. Opening channels to provide service, to have clients come to you in our business or job or whatever it is that you're doing right now. In part 5 of our 6-part series here, we're going to be starting to open the channels, the floodgates for the universe to deliver so much good to you, a lot more money, a lot more clients, a lot more customers, and a lot more sales into your business or for your full-time job, increasing your salary, increasing yourself with a bonus, whatever it is, even if it sounds impossible right now. Part 5 of our 6-part series here is going to provide you steps number 4 and number 5 of our 5 steps in manifesting everything you intend. Okay, so definitely make sure you've watched video 1, 2, 3, and 4 so far in a part 6-part series here. This is video number 5. And as you do so, we're going to be putting out video number 6 very soon as well. Just binge watch them all. All of them chain linked together. Each one takes a step up a staircase, and you get the entire information on how to manifest everything you could ever want involving success and accomplishment and all the good that you desire. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to make sure you're notified when we send out other great series like this as well. Let's do it. Let's jump into part 5, our 6-part series here. You're going to be blown away by what this really means, opening up the channels to you as we discuss it. Opening up the channels for clients to find you, which is really all about energy work, opening up your channels so that people can come to you effortlessly with a lot more ease, a lot more effortlessness, and how that's going to move forward. Okay. So number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4 we've covered so far, and this is all a complete sequence that we're going to be applying over the next 2 days as well. So give me a quick number 5 if you're ready to rock into this. Okay, number 5 is coming up. Number 5, great, great, great. See a number 6 coming up as well. Try and throw number 5 if you can, if you're ready to rock into this. Okay, good. All right, let's keep rocking here. So, Earl Nightingale, Dean of Personal Development, your rewards will be determined by the extent of your contribution, that is your service to others. Success is in direct proportion to your service. So basically, we're going to be partnering up our energy work, our alignment work with this actual service and what that's going to come from as well. So as we move forward, we want to open up the energetic channels now for customers to find you. And that's essentially what marketing does in every single business in the world. You start to open up the channels. Now we're going to represent those couple of words at the bottom there, just it's you. And we're going to understand that once you're in alignment, once you're in that place, it's what Abraham Hicks calls inspired ideas. It's what Bob Proctor calls intuition. You're going to start to receive ideas on how to actually be of more service to your customers or clients, whatever idea that is. As you implement idea number 1, idea number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, you're going to start opening up the pipeline. You're going to start to open up the energetic field for you to receive so much more good. And as you can tell, some of those pipelines will bring in a lot. Some of them are skinny. Some will bring in just a little bit, whatever it is. But you're going to start to find new customers finding you by Friday through the ideas that you're actually manifesting forward and actually putting into action. Then one day you wake up and service idea number 2 brings you a truckload of new customers, and that is by Friday of this week that we're looking to do it. So you start to really manifest more and more clients coming towards you, and what this is opening up the fields using your intuition. Universe is showing you ideas every moment of every day if you're listening in. We're going to get really great at listening in on Wednesday and Thursday this week when we actually go into the how this is going. But I hope you see this on how important it is. As you open up the energetic channels around you, you're going to start to really move these ideas forward. So action is absolutely a part of the process. You hear this all the time where people says, don't you have to take action? You can't sit on your couch. Absolutely. It comes from an aligned place though. So you have the right idea at the right time. Or somebody calls you up and says, hey, John, hey, Bob, hey, Barb, whatever it is. And they say, have you ever thought about this idea for your business? You say, I never even thought of that. And boom, it happens. Like the 5-day masterclass last month, it wasn't even my idea. Somebody gave it to me. I didn't even ask for it. Somebody called me up and said, hey, why don't you do a 5-day masterclass for your clients? It's a great thing to do for your service. Help a lot of people manifest money. I said, wow, that's such a brilliant idea. Let's put it into action. So you're going to receive ideas. And that comes from you being aligned first and following the core steps. And as you're aligned, things start to move forward at a very rapid pace. And the channels you open allow the universe to deliver more customers and good to you. So you have to open up those channels, and that's why action is indeed part of this entire process, but it's from a place of alignment and inspired action, not just exhausted hard work. And we're going to go through those exact exercises on the how. So that's a short step there, but on day number 3 on Thursday, we're going to go through an exact marketing game plan as well on how to open up those channels just a little bit more so you can manifest everything as well. All right, going into the final step here, this is very important. You keep staying tuned in. We have a lot more of good to cover. I'm going to cover an advanced exercise for you to cover from between now and tomorrow's masterclass, day 2 as well. Again, today is the unfoldment of your awareness, your awakening period. Then we're going in, no story, no nothing tomorrow. Tomorrow's only like 10 slides long. We're just going to go, here's action item number 1. I'm going to keep my video on the whole time. Here's action item number 2. Here's number 3, 4, 5. Okay, but we definitely want to have this awakening awareness shift moving forward. So if you're ready to go, let's go into number 6. This will be a quick one. Then we'll go into our last concluding exercise, starting the exercise of actually the how-to and what that's going to look like for you. So we can start being in the vibration of what we truly want to attract. So really remember on this scale here, as we go think about what tomorrow is going to bring as well as the conclusion of today, we're going to start to really get into the goal. We're going to clearly define it. We're going to ask the universe for it. We're going to start flipping on that frequency. We're going to start to activate the desired manifestation. We're going to get into feeling, because feeling is that vibration. So we're going to start activating the possibility and imagination, or we call 4th dimensional space. Boom. Number 3, we're going to start living with those clients in your business now before they actually come. Number 4, we're going to do some external work on the actual physical plane to open up those channels. That's what many people call marketing. Number 5, we're going to start to use this ongoing manifestation system. A lot of you also are already involved with as well. So now, as you can tell from here, there's a lot going on, but it's all broken down into those simple 5 core aspect system. So we're going to be in the zone where you really awaken to these 5 steps only. And day 2 and day 3 of the masterclass is so important. It's really where the results are going to come into play. It's where things are going to really move for you so that you can start to get into how to. Tomorrow is going to be about an hour and 15 minutes long, so I base on that. Thursday is going to be about the same as well, because I'm going to do an extended Q&A. I'm going to do some Q&A as well today. Okay, so hopefully you got a bundle of notes. You got all the core steps so far. Again, we're going to finalize a couple of things as well with an advanced exercise. I just want to make sure everyone's ready for day 2 and day 3 as well. We're going to start doing the links, make sure everyone's registered and good to go. So keep sticking with me here as we move forward. Okay. So after we apply everything together, it's going to become easy, simple, and fun steps. We're going to start to do these things. I'm going to send you that PDF by tomorrow morning. You're going to have all those action steps, once again, in very easy, simple, unbundled up, fun type of atmosphere. And we have more to cover today, but before we do, let's make sure we're prepared for day number 2 tomorrow. So if you're a Manifestation Accelerator member, and a lot of you are here and now, the links for day number 2 and day number 3 were already sent via email this morning. So go to your email now and make sure you're registered, because it's going to close out the Zoom webinar. So go ahead and make sure you're registered. So if you need to open up another tab, stay here with me, because we got that advanced exercise to finalize. That's what we're going to conclude with today. It's very crucial that you start doing that tonight, so you can manifest 5, 10, 20, 30 more clients, customers by Friday, and that chunk of change as well moving forward, okay? So if you're a Manifestation Accelerator client, make sure you go ahead and get those links right away and make sure that's good to go for you, that you're registered. If you're not yet a Manifestation Accelerator membership program member, you'll want to join in right now to get access to day number 2 and day number 3. The Manifestation Accelerator membership program is an exact system that's going to help you receive what you want. So in order to get access to day 2 tomorrow and day 3, you're going to need to become a Manifestation Accelerator member, and that's great. This is a proven process in number 5. That's why number 5 went so quickly for the core aspect. After tomorrow and Thursday, you need a system to keep this going so that you can start to manifest all the clients, customers, and all the money that you truly want during this time.
and things are going to really start to move forward very quickly. And that's what our Manifestation Accelerator is all about as we go through this as well. It's really, really good. So go ahead and go to this link right here if you're not a part of the accelerator so far. And I'll go ahead and put that link right into the chat box there. But everybody on the call here that is part of the actual accelerator so far, they'll give you the exact idea that, I mean, this will be the system to use right after we're done with Wednesday and Thursday as well. It's going to really blow you away with a lot of very unique, very in-depth content. And all the people that you've been seeing that we've been showing screenshots from, they just apply this. Within 24 hours, you're going to earn a lot of money. It happens to everybody. Not always within 24 hours, but it's usually within 7 days. You'll manifest an extra $200, $500. We've had people manifest an extra $6,500 within the first 7 days of being there. So this is going to be the system you're going to follow. It's kind of a plan for Friday onward is becoming involved with the membership site as well. And it's really pretty small, but very in-depth content that you're going through. So I put that link right in there. It's a bit.ly link as well. You should see it right there, bit.ly Manifest with Ease. And if you're a member as well, just go ahead and make sure you have the links. If you don't have them for some reason, I see Donnie said you couldn't see the registration for tomorrow. If you're a member as well of the accelerator, I'm going to resend the links after this as well, just so you got them. For some reason, if you don't, I'm going to put those also. I can just go ahead and friend request me on Facebook if you're not already. Send me a message. I'll make sure you got those as well, but I'll resend the links out to you. So really quick, if you're not a part of this Manifestation Accelerator, it's a complete system and structure about what this actual program is. And what our aim is to help you manifest anything in 14 days or less. So as we start applying all of day 2 and day 3 masterclass, again, it's only going to be exercises on day 2 and day 3 tomorrow and Thursday. The system's going to provide you a way on Friday onward as well to manifest anything you want. Step-by-step content that builds off of each other every week. It's a complete manifestation system. And we have about 50 plus hours in there of in-depth videos, worksheets, action items, exact answers, all that good stuff. You can log in anytime you'd like, and it's designed to change you, your life, your business, and we have tons of bonus content as well ready to go. So a 5-day challenge we did in February, if you're already a member, you know it's in the bonus content there. You can actually do that next week. So you can do that 5-day challenge that you saw all those people manifesting all that money. You could do that next week, Monday through Friday for you. It's great during this time to thrive, especially if you're at home or you're in an online business. You can really start to use that to thrive and give you some direction as well after the masterclass. It's really something very different than most things. Here's what makes it different. Number one is that proven process. So we spent many years putting this together, as I was mentioning, you know, going from having that mattress on the ground to becoming one of the top coaches under Bob and with all these clients and different things as well. So this system's going to allow you to really start to be in that proven process, manifest what you want consistently. And I've really spent about $350,000 on my personal development seminars and ideas and everything that puts this system together. If you're a Neville Goddard fan, Abraham Hicks, Napoleon Hill, that's all incorporated in the membership site as well. And that's really good because then it's been tested, you know, that system over and over to really be in combination with Bob Proctor's work as well. So let's take a quick look inside. So I'm going to stop the screen share there really quick, and I'm going to log in just so you can see this really quick. And as we go ahead and log in, you're going to get complete access just as soon as tonight. So you can start this along with our day 2 and day number 3 exercises as well moving forward. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen just so you can see this. So you know exactly what you're going to get when you get involved here. So as you join in right during this manifestation kind of day 1, if you will, before we go into day number 2 and day number 3, you're going to get this complete setup here. So you have the welcome video, and then you have each content module is going to be unlocked for you. It's all chain linked together. So as you can tell here, 1A, this magnificent world, you get a content video that's all visual work. Okay, as you could tell right there as I'm scrolling, you're going to get the worksheets, the pinups, all the ideas and the plans on helping you move forward. So this is a huge thing to use as you move forward. Then in 7 days, you're going to get the next one, and it's chain linked together. Like you actually get this entire process. Step number 2, you're going to get like, what do we do now on next week? What do we do now in the first week of April? What do we do in the second week of April? Literally, it's going to bridge together every single step of the way through this. Phase 2, as you get into that as well, is all about money. Money magnifier, money intensifier, big money flow, ideas from source, all that good stuff. As well as when you get into the membership site as well, you have access to all the materials here as well. Private trainings from Bob Proctor himself, as well as 5-day challenge that you can start again next week after our masterclass is complete this week as well. And all this is hour-long coaching calls. Some are 40 minutes long. But you have the PDFs, you have the action items, everything to help you manifest the $1,000 or more next week as well. So basically, you're going to have systems and everything from here, and it's going to be really great. And I'm guessing you would agree, if you had systems to use, even after the 3 days are up this week, you're going to really kick butt. You're going to really make some things happen. So all of this is incorporated with our membership site there, which is really, really great. You also get a community as well, and that's really important that you realize that. You get a lot of help from me. You can post questions, things into the Facebook group. Here's some more of what some people are doing in our membership site, and it's really pretty crazy. John right here earned 10 grand, and it was in one weekend just from following what we do in the membership site. Margaret, you had manifested your dream job, and that was huge, came pretty effortlessly as well. We had Archana as well manifest that $1,000 through our challenge, $2,500 just this morning from Chad. That was a couple of weeks ago during our 5-day challenge as well, which is really great. That's a big chunk of change just to come out of nowhere, as well as clients and customers coming in for Ryan during our challenge as well. Again, you're going to be able to do this as well. So as you get into the membership site, you're going to get the bonus of having the membership site and getting the program and anything like that. Then you have day 2 and day 3 links. I'm going to send you, it's an automatic email, so you can go ahead and just make sure you're registered for tomorrow as well. Then we'll start to really kick butt for tomorrow. And you're going to achieve more in 3 to 4 weeks than most people have to 10 years. It's happening. A lot of you are in our manifestation Facebook group, and we have posts every day of people just manifesting more money than they have in the last 10 years of their career. And pretty much everyone I've ever worked with. Because the process that we talk about here, it's just a science. It's a manifestation. It's going to work for you. It's going to work for your next door neighbor. If they use it, it's going to work for me. As long as you follow the process, follow the action steps in that membership site as well. It's a very different format than most things as well. And things really are provided to you in PDFs and bonus content. And I'm going to be active with you. So it's important after the 3 days here that you also get some personal guidance and personal mentorship from myself as well. So in the Facebook group, I'm going to be able to chime in with you and answer questions. I get to everyone's questions as fast as I can. It's usually within 24 hours. I'll get back to your question, provide you guidance, provide you support. That's going to give you something, a system to work on after the 3-day masterclass. So you're going to get access to day 2 and day 3. Then you have a system to use forever from here. And you can always unsubscribe, stay subscribed. That's going to be your choice. That's why I made a membership site, tried to make it as easy as I possibly could